Lab token update, whale dump, 25% crash, and what's next? Hello everyone, and welcome back to another special Lab token update. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, I warned that Lab token could experience a major dump and that the price might even revisit the 11-cent support zone. That is exactly what happened. Shortly after that analysis, the token suffered a sharp sell-off, dropping nearly 25% within a single hour before reaching the 11 cents level. In today's video, we're going to discuss whether Lab token is now preparing for another recovery, or if the market could still see another major decline. Before we begin, if you want regular updates on Lab token and other cryptocurrencies, make sure to join our Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the description below. As I explained yesterday, the important support zone around 12 cents to 13 cents was broken during the sell-off. Once that support failed, the market quickly dropped toward 11 cents, exactly where I expected strong buying interest to appear. If you watched yesterday's analysis carefully, you had an opportunity to benefit from that move. I clearly mentioned that the 11-cent area was one of the strongest support levels on the chart because many buyers were waiting there with limit orders. Anyone who entered around that level could have captured an impressive recovery as the price bounced sharply afterward. Within just a few hours, traders who bought near the support could have seen gains of around 17%. This is why identifying strong support and resistance levels is so important in cryptocurrency trading. Now the big question is, will Lab token continue moving higher? Or is another dump coming? At the moment, the price has recovered and returned toward the 12-13 cent support region. The recent crash appears to have been triggered by a large whale selling a significant amount of tokens in a very short period, creating heavy selling pressure across the market. As I've mentioned many times before, I still believe Lab token may have long-term potential. However, one major problem remains. Large holders, commonly referred to as whales, continue preventing the price from making a sustainable upward move. Every time retail investors slowly push the price higher, whales begin taking profits before the rally can fully develop. As a result, the market experiences another sharp correction, while many new investors become trapped at higher prices. Currently, the project has more than 28,000 followers, showing that many investors continue accumulating the token. Over the past few days, buyers have gradually increased their positions, which slowly pushed the price upward. Yesterday, I specifically warned that if the price reached approximately 15 cents, there was a strong possibility that whales would begin selling again. That prediction turned out to be accurate. Many retail traders were probably planning to take profits around 16 cents or 17 cents, but whales often exit even earlier. They sold near 15 cents, secured their profits, and triggered another wave of panic selling throughout the market. If you're considering buying Lab token, you should understand one important risk. As long as whales remain highly active, it will be difficult for the token to maintain a strong upward trend. The price may continue making small recoveries, but large holders can easily sell into those rallies, collecting profits, while retail investors are left holding losing positions. Because the previous support has now been broken, there is also a possibility that LAB token could revisit the 10-cent area in the coming days. The chart structure has weakened, and additional downside cannot be ruled out. We are also beginning to see signs of panic selling. After the sharp dump, many investors appear willing to exit their positions regardless of whether they are taking a profit or accepting a loss. This type of emotional selling often increases market volatility. The market capitalization has also declined significantly. Yesterday, it was close to $65 million, while it has now fallen to around $58 million, reflecting the heavy selling pressure across the market. Let's also take a quick look at the project's official social media activity. The Lab token team has not posted any new updates since August 4th, which means there has been no official response regarding the recent price action.